You can expect a lot from the 2015 Ford F-150. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split folding rear seat. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.